So we convert this number. This is a Ionian Greek number to our system, so which is the decimal number system. So first of all, let's take a look at the Greek symbols they use. So they have symbols for 1 to 9 and 10 to 90, 100 to 900. So with these symbols, we can express numbers from 1 to 999. For example, if we want to describe 784, all you need to do is to find 700, which is right here, psi, and 80, you find right here pi, and you find 4, it's 4 ones, which is delta. So you put them together, and then you get the Ionian Greek number. But what about 1000? Since we don't see 1000, a symbol for 1000, we have a new way to describe the numbers between 1000 and 10,000. So what they did was to add a accent mark to the symbol. So for example, if we want to describe 2000, so what we can do is we add an accent to theta. So 1000 would take the letter alpha, but that means 1. But if I want to mean 1000, I can put a little accent right here in front of alpha. And for 2000, now you take the letter 2, the symbol for 2, beta, and put a little accent there. So similarly, you can create all the numbers from 1 to 9,999 in a similar way. And what about 10,000? So what's the symbol for 10,000? Again, so we have to create a new symbol. So what they used was the capital letter M. And what if we want to describe, say, 20,000 or 30,000 or 40,000? And so what they did is they take, for example, 40,000. Because 40,000 is 4 times 10,000. So what they did was they put the symbol for 4, which is delta, in front of this symbol, and the symbol for 10,000, which is the letter M. The other way is you can put delta on top of the letter M. And so that means 40,000. So in this way, they can actually describe the numbers much bigger. So for example, they can put 2M and M together. So that means 10,000 times another 10,000, which you will get 100,000,000,000. So you get 100 million. So you can actually describe much bigger numbers. So let's take a look at this example, how we convert this Ionian Greek number to our system. So we can start from the right side. This delta, So we take a look at the table here. Delta is right here, which is 4. So let's write 4 for delta. And next one is mu. So take a look at the mu right here, which is 40. And later we're going to add all these together. So I put a plus sign between them. And next one is rho, and rho is 100. So I'm going to write down 100 and the plus sign. And next one is beta, but there's a little accent mark before beta. So that means this is not a 2 anymore. It's 2000, so as we can see from here. So I'm going to write down 2000 and put a plus sign. And next we see the letter M, and we know M actually means 10,000. And we have to see what's in front of 10,000. So we have 10,000, but we have to see what times 10,000, because the symbols in front of M, actually you have to multiply 10,000 by whatever the number these symbols represent. So let's take a look at these 3 symbols, see what they represent. And I think you can either start from left or right. So let's see here. We see epsilon. So this symbol, change the color. Epsilon right here is 5. So I write down 5. And the plus mu, again, we see mu again, which is 40. Write down 40. And tau, that is 300. So these 3 symbols together represent 345. So if we add them, that's 345. So let's go ahead and write down 345 right here. And this 345 is in front of the letter M, so which means we need to multiply it by 10,000 and add all the rest of them. 2,000, 1,000, plus 40, and plus 4. So when we add all these together, multiply them, so this is 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. And plus the rest of them, let's go ahead and add them together. That would be, this is number 4 right here, 2,144. So we add these 2 together, we get 3,452,100,144.